What are you doing?
Welcome to my frontier. Here's what's going on the ranch. So as many of you may know, I ask Julian for a cat just about every day, and the answer is always no. And also, our landlord won't let us have any more animals. Whatever. But I had an idea that maybe we could just invite our friends over who have a cat, let the dogs play with the kitty, and then Julian will get me a cat.
No, what? That's not part of this.
See, I told Julian that we were just gonna have a play date, but what this really is just for you to get comfortable with a cat and like it, and then you get me a cat.
You need Jesus. I'm not getting a cat because we're having a play date with a cat.
That's what today's about.
Why are you not listening to what I'm saying?
We're getting a cat!
No, we're not.
Yeah! Cat tour!
No, we can't do a cat tour. We don't have a cat.
Thank you. The Aggies are like, they're pretty cat-like. We invited our friends Jason and Gabs over who have a cat. Her name is Melody. She's beautiful, and after this, Julian's just gonna want to get a cat so bad. I'm ready. I know you're ready.
I'm not gonna film. I'm not gonna literally like film you trying to sway me into something without telling me that's what's happening.
That's the whole day today.
No, you said you wanted the dogs to meet a cat, and that's what we're doing. That's it. That's period at the end. Stop making that face.
I'm really excited to see how they react. It'll be proof for you to be like, wow, we can have a cat.
No, cut. I'm not gonna. No.
You're not allowed to say cut.
I am. Cut.
No!
Cut. I can
it's
say
my
cut.
video. No cut.
Cut.
No cut. You want a boy cat or a girl cat?
Oh, God.
So Jason and Gabs are gonna come over. I'm gonna let Melody like explore for a little bit, hang out, and then I'll probably have the dogs meet her individually. Kermit first, probably, because he's the chillest. Then maybe Peach, she's very excited, and Marbles last.
Or if at all.
If at all. I'm like, for one, I'm a little worried that she's gonna jump up and try and kill Ad.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. She can't get in that tunnel. He's gonna be okay.
Can she get up that high?
Yeah, cats can jump like on top of your refrigerator.
Yeah, no, we're not getting a cat, like, ever, no.
We just get a top for Ad's cage.
But what about stuff on the counter? Like, we can't leave food on the counter anymore.
I love
leaving food on the counter.
Getting a cat will help you be less of an Aries. So our friends are here, and they have brought Melody. How old is Melody? Tell us about her.
She'll be 2 in April. She's a Siberian cat.
Wow.
So she's hypoallergenic.
Wow.
Although anyone we know who's allergic to cats is still allergic to her, so.
Alright, so we're just gonna let her go walk around. The doors are closed like upstairs, so she can just walk around wherever without getting
You can come out now.
When I told Julian this, he was like, what are they gonna like play in the yard? And I was like, she's an indoor cat.
There's so much stuff to smell.
She's so pretty.
Yeah, she's prettier than me. I know it.
Look, she's hypoallergenic.
She likes really big dogs who just lay there. However, her experience with little dogs who have energy, say a Peach, she just runs away. So we'll see how this goes.
Make her more.
Oh my
God. She might love that.
Is this appropriate? Up there, that's the catwalk.
Wait, is that where they call it a catwalk?
Yeah, go up there. Oh, she on the catwalk.
I think we should just film you all day.
This is a great video.
She's like an Eggie, but a kitty. She's like an Eggie, but furrier. Hi. I touched her. See, Julian, cats follow the same rules that I let the Iggies follow. It's just sit wherever you want to sit. Do whatever you want. All right, yeah. Should I bring out Kermit?
Yeah, go
Oh my God.
Just Kermit. All right, you wait here, baby.
Oh my God.
Kermit. It's okay. It's all right.
It's okay.
We're just friends. See? Oh.
It's okay.
Smell.
He tried to kiss her.
He did.
All right, you do whatever you want.
Oh God.
Peach.
Oh, she's coming.
Good.
Do you want that kitty to be a friend, Kermit?
Oh my God.
Go
Please
say
be
hi
friends.
to
This is
her.
gonna make me so happy.
Go on, Kermit. Go be very forward and
Peach,
brave.
stop.
You can do it, Kermit.
Oh my God.
Do you want to show her your
Babe. Kermit's so good. Kermit, you are so good. You are so good.
Amazing.
Okay, that's not good.
You just want her to
Baby,
play
it's
with
okay.
Kermit, you want to show her your bedroom? What? Kermit! Where are you? Oh, there's stuff in there now. There's a box of stuff in there.
Kermit, hey, not for you. Kermit, come. Kermit just wants the food.
Kermit! You gotta let her come to you, baby. She's a little scared. Hey. That's not her. That's not her. That's not her. That's a bear. It's okay. Are you excited, Kermit? Where is she? Kermit, up there. Kermit, you can do it. Use your eyes. Up there. Kermit, look, up there. Kermit, I don't know how else to angle your body. She's up there. Kermit, look.
Kermit, is it confusing for you to meet a cat?
Good boy, Kerm. Good boy, Kermit.
This is fun.
You have to wait for her friendship. You have to take her out to dinner. Oh, here we go. Go, Kermit. So us say it's going well. It's looking up. Julian certainly enjoys the cat. Probably getting the cat. Right, Julian?
I've never said anything like that. Kermit.
No, don't bark at her.
Hey, Kermit. Kermit.
We should get a cat. Kermit needs to get put in his place more.
This is one thing I'll say. I think the Iggies would benefit from a cat.
Well, yeah.
I think they would be checked more often. So I know you can like leave your cat if you leave town for a couple days, right?
Yeah.
If we had a cat, could we do that with the dogs and the cat?
No.
Kermit, she's long gone from there, dude. He like can't even keep up with her. It's kind of nice to see him like outmatched.
Well, yeah, that's the nicest part about cats is that they're superior in every way. I'm gonna get Peach. She's gonna be on a leash because her energy is not suitable for anything at all. Marble, unfortunately, you have to stay in there alone. She would be happy, I think, with just the
It's just the cage, yeah.
Just take the cage and we'll just look carry Melody back.
Peachy girl. This is probably not the best place to eat her.
On behalf of the blonde bald one, I want to apologize.
All right, Peach. Good girl, Peach! Yay! Good girl!
She's back, bitch. Hey, do not do that horse thing.
Good girl, Peachy!
This is good. This is really good.
Great!
Peach, you're acting insane.
That is true.
She can't breathe. She's so excited.
You are an independent woman.
Yeah, you're a strong, independent woman, just like the cat we gonna get, right, Jenna?
Jenna,
What?
no.
I want a strong, independent woman that's a cat.
Whoa. What the Oh, Peach!
Poor Peach can't figure out where she went.
Peach, you stupid.
She wants to play with you.
This is like in third-person PUBG when you're just like circling each other.
Oh my god, Peach! Peach, don't get on the table. Peach! You let her have the high ground.
She's an absolute crazy person. That was a weird
She's at
thing you
least
just
keeping
said.
Melody.
What is you, yeah?
See, look, Julian, this could be our life. We sit here, the dogs and the cats chase each other around the house, hang out. It's a great time. So, do you want to get one tomorrow or the day after?
No.
Why? They clearly love each other. She only hissed like 6 times. It's gonna be fine.
Oh.
know.
Marble likes me the most out of anyone in the whole world, except for Jason.
Hey.
Look at him.
What are you doing?
Like once Jason's here, he doesn't even like me anymore. He's so happy.
Marvel has quite literally
Oh,
zero
you're right,
clue
dummy.
that a cat is even here right now.
He has no idea.
Like, no clue.
He has no idea. Marble, there's a cat here. Do you know where he is?
It's right there.
It would take him a week to figure out there's a cat there. Would you believe it if I told you there was a cat here, Marble?
Oh, he's looking now.
What was that?
Oh.
What's over there, Marble? You can't even see that far.
Do you need me to get your glasses? If Jenna's holding. Whoa.
Kitty?
Oh.
You see the kitty, Marble? So, in conclusion, Jason and Gabs are gonna leave, and this is our cat. Welcome! Guys, we got a cat. Her name's Melody. Now that I've convinced Julian that we can have a cat.
I'm Julian. I'm right here, and I have not agreed to anything.
What?
Don't pretend like you can't hear me.
Life's too short to not have a cat.
That's not an okay
That's
saying.
a saying.
That is not a saying. Who said that? Benjamin Franklin?
Jesus.
Jesus said that. I like seeing them just being called out on their own stupidity, like nonstop. That's funny.
It is funny. It's funny to watch them interact with an intellectual.
Melody's
like
an intellectual.
An intellectual. I mean, I'm really proud of all the dogs for being able to do this because I know it's in their blood to be like, cat! And I'm really proud of Melody for even being open to the idea to hang out with such annoying, dumb creatures. But it is really funny to watch them interact because she's clearly just a lot smarter than them. This weekend, we just like
No, I have plans.
go adopt a
I have
kitty.
plans. Your dad's visiting this weekend. I can't go get a cat.
He loves cats.
No, we're not getting a cat.
My dad has a cat.
Yeah, that's his.
We can take his cat.
He's not bringing his cat.
We can go take her.
Your dad comes to visit you. We travel to his house, grab his cat.
It's a new business plan called the Ice Tea Cat.
And the I is lowercase, like
Yeah.
it's an iPod.
Yeah.
Jason, oh my fucking god! What the fuck?
I don't know what's going on.
They don't even want to
They don't
be
even
here.
like us.
I think this works out great.
Can we talk about this off camera, please?
Absolutely not. We only have conversations on camera.
Subscribe to our life in
Everyone
hell.
knows that. Subscribe to our hell.
Subscribe to hell.
So yeah, I know this wasn't like the most exciting thing in the world, but I wanted them to
was
hang
for
out with the
Peach.
cat. It was for Peach. Today was the most exciting day in the world for Peach.
It was like she went to a Monster Jam, Disneyland, and had her first birthday all in one day.
All in the same day. Cat lovers, make sure you let them know in the comments.
I need my hand.
We should get a kitty.
Don't squeeze it too hard. Ow, it hurts.
But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos on Wednesday/Thursday, and my dogs had the pleasure of hanging out with the cat today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it would be like if we lived our true dream
Don't
life.
take my hand again. I'm holding
This is what it would be like every day.
Ow.
Get me a cat. See you guys next week. Bye.